Welcome to the Kids Co studio. Look, something's
La 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 la.
little lamb. It's her.
Bismillah. La 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 la.
You're so soft and warm.
Aliza found a little lamb.
Something's in the
Little lamb, little lamb. Aliza found a little lamb wounded on the road.
You're so
She
soft
picked it up and hugged it tight, hugged it tight, hugged it tight. She picked it up and hugged it tight, said, "Don't worry, Allah's near."
You'll love our garden. We're almost home, little one. You'll love our garden.
She took it home and cleaned its hoof, cleaned its hoof, cleaned its hoof. She took it home and cleaned its hoof very gently, soft and slow. Kind and gentle, that's our way. Allah loves us every day. Help the weak and help the small. Say Alhamdulillah for all.
You'll love it.
She gave it milk with Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. She gave it milk with Bismillah and made a gentle dua. She raised her hands and softly prayed, softly prayed, softly prayed. She raised her hands and softly prayed, Ya Allah, please help my lamb. And Allah healed the little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Allah healed the little lamb, its tiny hoof grew strong. Kind and gentle, that's our way. Allah loves us every day. Love the animals big and small. Say Alhamdulillah for all. Aliza also had a cat, had a cat,
Oh, a kitty.
had a cat. Aliza also had a cat. It said meow and played
Oh, a
along.
kitty.
Cat went meow and a lamb